Students, welcome back in Unit 2. The situation now is like the following. We have made some analysis using the analysis tab or sheet. However, we can add more analysis. In this video, I will try to add 3 more analysis. Payments per month. The second is payments per holiday type. And the third one is the holidays in each holiday reference. So we start with the first one. I will add a new title or subtitle here, and you will write payments made in each month. And here, if you remember, we have 4 months, January. So February, you can write it Jan, Feb as written in the assignment booklet or the data source, March and April. I'll need to say April is here and nothing is here, so I'll make highlight for this one as well. I'll use a different color and make all borders, and I will add the values here. If you remember, the values here should be monetary, so I can format cells here using currency and then use the English pound. That's it here with 2 decimal places. So in January, again, I will go to the data and take the these columns, Jan, Feb, March, April. I will oh, this is not needed right now. Actually, I will try to make summations of the payments made in every month. So I come in here and I go to analysis, and here I select the summation tool. Summation of what? Then I take the range of January and try to make the summation that sums the total payments made in January. Enter. We have got the value coming here in January, and we'll do the same for February, March, and April. So I put the cursor here and select the summation of the range. Should be this range in February, and this is the total payments made in February, and March as well. Summation of the data, and go to March month and choose the payments made by all guests in March. That's it. Enter. And this is the March and last April summation of the data range is April paid amounts. And that's it for April. Now, what's next? Payments made per or each holiday type. So I add a new subheading here, merge and center, and I will write payments made per holiday type. And if you remember, the holiday types are premium, executive, classic, and budget. I choose different color here, make full borders, and choose color like this one. So we come in here, payments made in premium holiday type. I go and choose these columns here, copy them to sheet 3 page. I put here, for example, paste. I don't need this column, so I delete this column. And now what for? Now I can create data filter. So no need for the filter. And I'll first select the premium holiday type and make summations. So the summation here is this, and I will do for the other months in premium holiday type, and then I will again make the summation of all months in premium. This equals to this value plus this value plus this value plus this value. So the total payments made in premium holiday type in the 4 months is 55,880. So I'll copy this and come here, right click, paste special, and choose values. Okay, remember that you need to screenshot this, means you need to make screenshot for your calculations here by doing like this, and attach this step in your report as per the report template given for you. We do the same for the other holiday types, executive. Now I go back to the data and go to the filter again and choose the executive now. So now it will be made automatically, means that the executive holiday types and the payments made in the 4 months with the subtitles here, or subtotals, and the overall total for executive holiday type in the 4 months is 50,770. I'll copy this value and put in the analysis here, right click, paste special values. I will do the same for the classic now. Classic and classic, yeah, it's made automatically, and the total is 47160. Remember, in each step you need to take screenshot that shows your calculations or how did you find this amount, but we need to paste it as a value in the cell, copy, and here right click, paste special values. Last is the budget holiday type, budget, and for budget it is 18,740. Remember to take screenshot of this calculation. So we come in here and right click, paste special, and values. Again, I need to change the format of these numbers using the format cells, and you choose the currency, 2 decimal places, English pound as currency. The last is holidays in each reference. Now, holidays in each reference, we can do it like the following. How many references we have? Holiday reference. I will add a new heading here, and holidays in each reference. How many references we have? We have, I think it's better to make it in a column way. So holiday reference, and here is a number of holidays. So again, I'll make different color here, and choose another filling color. Filling color will be used here, or unmerge. So I make here only merge and center, and take this value of text, say Control X and Control V here. Alright, by myself, holidays pair reference number. Remember how many holiday reference we have? We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I counted them, you know, we have from 1 until 18. So I come in here and write 1, 2, and choose the 2 to drag for until 18. Yes. So holidays reference, we need to count the number of holidays booked in each holiday reference. I can make it a line to the left and this one to the left as well, or you can make it in the middle. Now I'll go back to the data and I can take this column, for example, copy this column and take it to the calculations sheet. I will stop or clear all filters now so that I can see everything in terms of holiday reference. Now I come in here and again use a filter for holiday reference 1. As you can see here, 11 out of 120. So in holiday reference 1, the number of holidays booked in this reference equals to 11. Again, you need to take screenshot for this step and attach it in your report when you talk about this analysis step. So 11 for 1. Go to analysis. So it is 11 here. And I will get back to the source now. Instead of 1, I put 2, and in 2 we have 9. Remember to remove the check mark. For example, this is wrong. This does not represent 2. This represents 1 and 2. So if you want to calculate the number of holidays in the 2 reference, it will be 9. And this number should be written in the analysis opposite to sorry, is 9. And we'll do the same for other holiday references. So I come in here now and choose, instead of 2, I choose 3, and for 3 it is 5. Oh, sorry, is written by mistake here. It is 5 here. And do the same for the other holiday references. Come in here and choose the stop it here. I made it before so I can find the numbers by myself, but as a student you need to do them one by one. But for 4 it is, I can see that in my paper in front of me, it is 6 in here. For 5 it is 6 again. For 6 it is 9. For 7 it is 10. And for 8 it is 6. For 9 it is 8. For 10 it is 4. For 11 it is 5. And for 12 it is 8. 13 is 4. And 15 is 5. So this is 4. 15 is 3. 16 is 8. 17 is 6. And 18 is 7. If we want to check the total number of booked holidays per all references, it should be 120, which is 2. So we don't have any mistakes here. So this is the end of the analysis. Now you need to convert these analyses, because you know, for us human, you cannot understand things easily using these numbers. So we need to convert them into what? Into charts or graphs. So let's start from here. I select this. Oh, we forgot to write here the number of I select this and go to insert recommended charts. You can choose for example this one and write the numbers. Chart title, you choose the same title that's written on this, the number of each holiday type. I know that the sentence is meaningless, but this is given by the BTIC, so we can't change anything. It should be the number of holidays in each holiday type. Take this one, copy, and go to the dashboard and paste it as the first visual representation of your data or analysis. Okay, if you want to, for example, use a bigger font here, you can make it bigger. If you want to perform any changes, for example, we can change the background and change the color so that it looks more professional. That's good for the first analysis dashboard chart. So let's go back to the analysis again, and for example I can choose this and again insert recommended chart and change the title and use the number of guests, or I'll make it like that, nothing to pay and something to pay, so that we can understand what is the meaning of that one chart. So again I will cut this one and go to the dashboard and add it here, make it to the same length, change here, choose background. If you need to make the font bigger, you can do that. Even you can change these colors here. For example, you can use another color if you don't like the blue color, and you can change the background of the whole chart. So this is for the chart number 2. Chart number 3, here is, we forget to write the word most expensive here, because that one is the most expensive. So again, the price of each holiday, I will copy that and go to insert recommended chart. Maybe you can choose this one, holiday price. So take this one, cut and take it to Excel and paste it in this location. Expand more so that the data can be clear. I don't need this column to be like this wide. Again, I can change the background like this. I can make this font bigger, and I can use background and make it bold if you want. I can make this text also bigger like this. I can expand it vertically. Okay, good. Next. So don't need this now. That one we cannot produce chart, or it would be without meaning. So I come in here and choose this and go to insert chart again. You can use this chart, and even you can do some more options from here. So chart title, this title, July 24 holidays, compared to other holidays. I can come to this line and go to format and choose different color if you want, and make it bigger, or from here the weight would be more, and if you want you can add the numbers. Not sure if here the numbers are written here. Can do that in here, access titles or data, or access titles. Yeah, maybe that one is okay now. Home, background, and change the font, make it bigger. So the number of holidays booked in July 2024 is 48, and the number of holidays booked outside July 2024 is 72. Don't need this for series 5, it's not needed, so I can cut it and go to dashboard and paste it here. You can always change the background color if you don't like to use the same color. For example, we can replace this color with that if it's suitable, or we can make it dark if we need to do it more dark. I think you can make that one wider, and we can do that for this chart as well. Next, payments made in each month. So I go to insert recommended chart. Maybe I can use this pie chart now with numbers and change the title payments made in each month, and that's it for this chart. Cut this chart and go to the dashboard, and again paste it here, make it wider so that will be clear for the verifier. Nothing to be amended here or changed, nothing to change. So go back to this one, premium, or payments made in each holiday type, insert recommended. Now again I use, for example, this chart type, and you can change it like this. Chart title, I make payments made in each holiday type. I cut it and go to the dashboard, paste it here and make it wider. You can even change each bar with a different color. For example, this one with that color, and this one with this color, this one with another color, and this one with a different color. I think everything is clear. Payments A in small letter, and you can change the background of the title, choose any background here. Last is the analysis. Again, I need to create I think that one is good, but I need to mention the numbers. Better to mention the numbers always, and come in here, mention the numbers or chart elements, data labels, that will be too complicated. No. Maybe this one is okay. So I'll take it here to the dashboard. For example, you can put it underneath here. Paste it here and make it wider so that the numbers cannot be over 8. So remember, the holiday type reference is 1, number of holidays 11, and so on. So you can make some changes here by choosing a background and choose a black color, make it maybe bigger like this way. Okay, number of holidays in each holiday type, number of holidays in each holiday reference. Okay, and that's it for the dashboard. That almost 99% of the work is done in the project. Remember that you need to cover all of these steps using your own report. I think that's clear, hopefully, for you to perform unit 2. And in case you have any question, you can refer to me. You got my number. I'll try to write my number here, 66873217. You can contact me using WhatsApp or email me or call me if you want. And good luck. Thank you very much.